Look at the imposition. Look at the abuse. I stood by for years and listened to that and watched that, even today. Nothing I can do. You think I feel good when I watch a brother eating a piece of lamb chop? You think I don't know the damage he's doing? Then when I thought that when I stopped eating hard, that I start eating the trichina worm, that was very bad for me. So I started eating the pork and I decided to eat the lamb. And in eating the lamb, I didn't know it was 1,000 times worse than pork. It had the Amtrak term, plus lanolin. You see, they get you going and they get you coming. So in this category over here, there are products. There are products that goes under this category. But to show you how imposing they are and inconsiderate they are, look what they're going to do. The products under the natural could be seen. The product under the unnatural you could also see. But the product under the supernatural, you cannot see those. A little girl, by the name Aquila, no, not Aquila, her name is Taina. You see, we talk about truth. Yes, Chicago, we're going to share that today, truth. Taina is sitting in the back of an automobile while her father driving me to do a lecture like today. But the lecture was going to be at City College in New York. Taina heard her brother ask me, Dr. Sebi, what are you going to talk about today? I said, I don't know. Well, when do you know? When I get in front of the audience. He said, why don't you do me a favor? Why don't you talk about the soul, mind, and spirit? The little 12 years old girl jumped up and said, you better not. You better not. You better not, because you know I hate you. I hate you, and I will always hate you. Well, she had good reasons. Because I removed cheese, butter, eggs, and meat from her diet that she liked so much. But the little girl had a vaginal discharge that wouldn't quit. But now she noticed that even though she hated me for removing her ice cream and her eggs and her milk, her vaginal discharge stopped. She said, even though I hate you, I like something about you. You tell the truth. And if you talk about the soul, mind, and spirit, you are a liar. A 12-year-old girl gonna talk to me like that? Yes, she did. You are a liar. I said, why, Taina? Because those things did not come out of reality. They came out of the imagination. They are unreal. From that day onwards, I stopped. I thought that I was right tight, but I worked because this 12-year-old little girl letting me know that I was saying things that I thought or believed that I know. No. I said, here, I cannot live in the zone of belief. I have to know, or I don't know. Because if I give you money, but instead of giving you money, I give you foxglove because they look alike, I will give you because I believe it was money and it was foxglove. You cannot work as a healer in the world and the environment of belief. You got to know or you don't know. So Taina stopped me from being a liar. And I used to use it. I'm spiritual. And I go home and eat me some glazed ham. But I'm spiritual. Okay. What makes me so different from those that are? I claim it, I'm spiritual. You see, it doesn't make me better than you. That doesn't happen. So, Dr. Sebi, see that all of this stuff over here had to be omitted. I decided on the journey of that black woman in the jungles of Africa. And I began compounding these plants. Using only alkali plants. Why? Because I want to make sure. I don't want to cheat you. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to come to in front of your face, your brother, with something other than the truth. And truth is what you know, not what you believe.